Located in Palomar Mountain State Park, Doane Valley Nature Trail is a terrific short hike if you're looking for something low-key in the area. The 1-mile loop follows a creek as it winds through a thick forest dominated by tall oaks and pines. Palomar Mountain is located about 30 miles inland from Oceanside, California, about an hour-and-a-half drive northeast of San Diego, or 2.5 hours southeast of Los Angeles. It is a mountain adventure destination located within easy striking distance of both cities. The alpine ecosystem, with its tall oak and pine forests and lush mountain meadows, stands in stark contrast to the shrub-covered chaparral that dominates the surrounding lower-lying areas. The trailhead is located at the western end of Doane Pond Day-Use parking area, fairly close to the entrance to Doane Valley Campground.
Daddy, watch out of the grass between the rocks.
Whoa. Along the trail, the Park Service has placed numbered interpretive markers that highlight some of the many plants found in the area. You can pick up a guide that goes with the markers at the park's entrance kiosk or download it from the State Park website.
You will see several different plants growing on the boulder. The dark moss is a primitive plant that needs low light and lots of moisture. In dry times it shrivels up, waiting for enough moisture to come back to life. And it's like a whole second tree over there.
Yep.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Look at this tree, Kai.